Last season, you only got a handful of games, and this time around, you are picked in the starting 11 for the brand new season. Let's talk about that emotion.
You know, firstly, I want to give all thanks to the men above. And I think this one is going straight to my granny and to my community. Yeah, she's at Chicago 7490. And you know, it's been a tough season last season. We were only playing 5 games, started the last game. And I just want to give, you know, thanks to the coach for believing in me and trusting me and today. And thank you to my teammates as well.
Yes, the coach helps you evolve. Tell me about the special moment that you just had with the sporting director, Junior Mutau.
You know, last season, because I didn't get a lot of chances to play, he always off when I'm not in the team, he always come to me, he message me, tell me to keep going, keep my head up, and that's all. Yeah.
Today you were truly the live wire when you look at the flank, putting in the energy, making mistakes, but still you could see the encouragement from the coach saying, you still got this.
Yeah, you know, afterwards, you know, it's my first start for the first season, so a bit tight the legs, you know, of all the running. But just thank to my teammates also for pushing me and the coach. So yeah, thank you.
Congratulations, all the best going forward, Luke.
Thank you.